If you share your home with your pet, the MOOSOO Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum is ideal for quick and easy cleaning. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the power packed into this lightweight 2-in-1 cordless vac that was designed with pet owners in mind. The lint strip is uniquely positioned to draw in loose fur. The swivel head maneuvers easily around chair legs and other obstacles, and the two-way folding handle makes it a cinch to take care of the fluff that sneaks under couches and tables. The on-off brush roll gives you extra pickup power on low-pile carpet and area rugs. Then switch it off with a quick click to take care of business on scruff-prone hardwood floors and laminates. The removable hand vac makes it quick and easy to tidy up stairs, upholstery, and more. Simply pop out the built-in crevice tool to clean out those comfy cushions and crumb-filled corners. When you're finished, fold the handle back for compact, convenient storage. The MOOSOO Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum for people and their pets.
The new Hoover React vacuums are designed to react intuitively to changing conditions, wherever messes happen. It's built with Floor Sense technology, featuring microsensors that automatically slow down the brush roll on hard floors to prevent scattering, then speeds it back up on carpets to lift and remove deep down embedded dirt. Hoover's powerful wind tunnel surge captures everyday life, like dirt, dust, and stubborn pet hair, while its sealed allergen system helps prevent dust and allergens from being released back into your home. And you can enhance your React experience with the Hoover app. Monitor system performance, access tips and tricks, and choose your favorite floor scent settings right at your fingertips. It's a new generation of clean, the Hoover React line of vacuums.
Give your home a powerful clean with the 150-watt, high-powered, lightweight, and upright MOOSOO 2-in-1 cordless bagless vacuum. With a rotatable joint design that goes wherever you need it to go, and LED headlights that light the way, the multifunctional MOOSOO deeply cleans and removes dust, dirt, and pet hairs from your carpet and hardwood floors. Simply transform it into handheld mode and enjoy up to 30 minutes of cord-free sweeping. MOOSOO can even tackle the dirtiest stairs, sofas, and car interiors with ease. And with its washable, high-efficiency filtration system and high-density HEPA filter that traps PM0.1 particles, you'll breathe easier with the MOOSOO 2-in-1 cordless bagless vacuum.
Don't be selfish, call your girlfriend too. I'm so sharp, I got a point to prove. Girl, take your time, you're always on the move. Ooh.
points of light, shooting through the tree state vines. It draws me home, home to where our love can grow. But all day long I heal for you, honey. Yeah, you're the one I